Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be looking at Debian on the Pinephone. And just real quick, I apologize, but this keeps going in and out of auto brightness and I can't figure out why. I'll try to set it manually to maybe about there, but I make no promises. So yeah, I guess we'll see. The screen might start flickering. However, I did put my SIM card in it this time, and it's recognized it. It's better than from what I've seen on the other OSs so far. It's fairly smooth, I guess. It's still maybe not the most responsive, but it technically works. Under sound, I don't know if you can see the screen flickering, but I can. I don't know if you can hear that. Try to... Oops. So that works. The sounds do work. That's nice. I'll turn that back down. About halfway. The volume does not seem to do anything. The loudspeaker seems to work as well. I've not tried the cameras yet and see, but I don't have much hope for this. No. Okay. So nothing on the camera. However, the web browser, we go into that real quick. Got 1.1.1.1 here. Let's see if it'll load, which it should. Come on. It's not connected to Wi-Fi. You should be able to see that. This would be mobile data if it decides that it wants to work. That is. But I don't think it wants to. Let's DGG. Let's try that. May or may not work. I don't know. Try to pick it up here. I don't know why that would do anything, but you can see it's now loading the page. Try to find a speed test. Speed. That's not what it's speed test. Right. It's probably not going to work because it's probably going to think I'm on iOS because WebKit, or maybe Android. I don't know. Okay. It's the keyboard. Oh, maybe it will work. I'll hit go and see what happens. I don't know why I can't zoom. Maybe there's no multi-touch yet. That might be a thing. Yeah, okay. Let's see what happens. So the speed test has decided to work. The ping's 32. I don't know why it always takes so long to get to this point. 21, almost 22 on the download. Upload is... maybe I broke it. Okay. Yeah, I may have just broke the browser here. It does not seem to want to work anymore. Oh well. 22 on the download. Oh, maybe it's maybe it works now. Maybe the upload just won't work. I don't know. Last time I don't know. I've never been able to get this to work, but 22 on the download, that seems good enough for me. I don't really see the point in a super high-speed internet on the phone. If I open up this, I'm going to have to start blurring things. However, I can indeed send messages here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's try that. I should get... Yep, and you see that there. If I turn off the screen, I don't know what happens. Send one over. Okay, nothing seems to happen. But it's there. If I go home, I don't know what happens either. We can see if that's a kind of function like it should. Okay, I guess that just doesn't work anymore. Okay. Well, I'm stuck in that. What happens if I'm in the calendar? Okay, maybe it's broken. Well, darn it. Oh, okay, there we go. What happens if I... Yeah, alright, so if nothing's open... let's see if anything happens. Nope, you'd have absolutely no idea until you go back in to the app. And, yep, there you go. Okay, so, I guess that does work. And, oh, shoot. Can you see that? Yeah, you can. Alright, and then if we do a phone call, it doesn't seem to pick up on here. Oh, it is ringing. If you can hear that. When I answer it, does it work? Alright, so no, it's not going to work. I don't think. It's still ringing. Yeah, so it thinks it's picked up here, but the other one does not. Okay, but I can do an outbound call. Let's call that. Let's see here. Just picked it up. It should. There we go. If I do something. You can see that works. The microphone on this does not seem to work, but the speaker does. So that's pretty cool. I kind of doubt this would work if I were to try. I can now, but... Yeah, no. Okay, nothing. So, that kind of works. It seems to be just minor bugs now. So you got text. Text seems to be working completely. I don't know if emojis work. Would be something to test. Let's see here. Okay. I just sent 2 different smiley faces. It does work. Okay, I have no idea how you'd send one. But it does work. Oh, that's how you do it. Oh, okay. Oh, look at that. I have no idea what that is. Let's see if that works right. And what about, let's see if that works right. See if that goes through. I don't know what that X means. Might mean it won't work. Maybe that does not work. Let's try that. Okay, yeah, so the emojis don't seem to send strangely enough. You can receive it, just not send it. So that's good to know. Yeah, I don't know what to do about the auto brightness. I'll bet that would work too. I don't know. I don't want to go through everything on here. The camera doesn't work. Sound does. Maps. Oh, I wonder if that would work. Let's see. Probably just Google Maps. What? No. Oh, does that work? No, okay, multi-finger touch does not seem to work at all. Okay, so that works. I'll have to blur that. And that. But it does work. Let's get out of there real quick. So yeah, wow, okay, so this probably seems to be the OS that actually does work the best on here. That would be Debian with Phosh. So whoever informed me about that, thank you very much. And now hopefully all of you can see that it's almost usable. Oh, it's so close. If the microphone worked on... Alright, so things that I wish worked. If all the sound issues were solved, so the microphone would work and the volume would work, that would be awesome. The auto brightness, that's probably just a broken toggle. That's probably just a couple lines of code, I would think. And then same with the messages showing up. That's probably also just a few lines of code. Probably no more than 50 or 100, I would guess. And that's probably a very... it's probably way more lines than it would actually need to be. The weird thing about inbound calls not being able to answer, I don't know enough to be able to propose a solution to that. And also the... shoot, what was it? I don't remember what else was... I was talking about something that wasn't working. Yeah, I don't remember. Anyway, yeah, it's a pretty solid OS. I suppose you could use it if you just text. It'd probably be fine. So maybe I'll try to do that for the rest of the day. Thank you for watching, and hopefully that's interesting. Or as interesting as I found it, at least. Take care.